there once again, guys, welcome back to our channel, and here's our Nike Air Force One unboxing and review. Let's check it out. Watch it out, guys. Let's take a look, guys. Ayan. Here is it, guys. It's very beautiful white sneaker shoes. Wow. I like it so much, guys. Really, I love it. The best and most comfortable white sneaker for me, guys. Wow, the sole, the inside sole, oh my gosh, I really love it. Very comfortable to wear. Look at the sole and the laces and the stitches. Wow, and there's the Zeus logo. Wow, it's very nice. So beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.